We recently found Kayla's course and we wanted to offer our thanks to Kayla for her help and also just our endorsement and appreciation for the course as a resource. Our son was 17 months old and wasn't really talking at all. And we were worried, obviously. We had made an appointment with a professional to have him evaluated, but in the meantime, we wanted to find something that could give us some peace of mind that we were doing all the right things and doing as much as we could at home. And so I had stumbled across Kayla's free videos on YouTube, which were a great resource, but then we wanted to take the extra step. And so we saw that she had the course online and decided to purchase it. And really, we have no regrets. It was a great decision. And I immediately shared it with my wife here, and
I finished the videos first. It was a race.
Yeah, it was a race to finish the videos. We really found Kayla to be a great teacher, really relatable. All of the lessons are practical. They have helpful tips and resources at the end, printouts. Really, it's really engaging and really practical. And some of the things we found we were already doing, which was great. It was definitely encouraging and gave us some peace of mind that we were starting to do the right things. But even those things, I think there were techniques and tips that Kayla had that helped us do them better. And so we've been doing that. We've seen a lot of progress with our son, and there's still a ways to go, but I think he's making progress, and we're really just grateful to Kayla and for putting this resource out there and making it available, and encourage others to do like we did and purchase it.
Yeah, you can always get the free content online, and that's great, and we appreciate Kayla making that available. But you want to support good work, and this work we really felt was helping our son and helping us as parents, because we've never done this before. And so we wanted to support her course, which really did go a lot deeper than compared to her free content, which was also great. And now we wait with bated breath while we find out if our son will qualify for early intervention. And if not, we're hoping that we do find a speech pathologist out here like Kayla who can really, work well with kids and get our son talking. We're excited to hear what he has to say. So thank you, Kayla, and good luck to everyone out there.
Yeah, thanks, Kayla. We really appreciate it, especially seeing the clips of the videos of Kayla doing her work and really seeing what a speech pathologist session is all about was, I think, the most helpful part of the course for me. And so we're just really grateful for you putting that content out there and for helping us with our son and helping our son. So thank you.
Thanks.
Really, if you want a step-by-step guide beyond just the cute little tips and stuff that I have put on this YouTube, which I have been finding thousands of people have said is very helpful, as you guys have been graciously commenting and thanking me, saying that it's working, your child wasn't talking and now they are. But if you want a step-by-step guide so you know from beginning to end what to do to help your child learn to talk, then take my online course. Because everyone who's been taking this course has been telling me how much it's worked, and I get a little bit emotional talking about it, because I was really nervous to put this online course out, really just feeling very vulnerable, but people have been saying that this is helping, and I want to help everyone in the world if I can. And so there is a link below to my online courses. I have 3 different options out there for you, and I'm creating more and more. There's a discount code for you so that you can save some money and really learn how to help your child at home. If you have a question, ask me below. I'd love to help. Otherwise, enjoy all these 90+ free videos that I have been creating on YouTube for the past 1.5 years, and there'll be more to come. But the step-by-step guide is there for you now. And happy talking with your toddlers. If you're in California, let's set up a phone consultation. If you're in San Diego, then hey, let's work together in person, because me and my company, the therapists that I oversee, are in San Diego, and I'd love to do that. Please share this video so other people can find access to help online, okay? Online, yes, the power of the internet, fantastic. Thanks, I'm Kayla from Walkie Talkie Speech Therapy, and I'll see you in another video in the future. Bye-bye.